Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. The engine and transmission mounts are the parts of your car that actually hold the engine and transmission to the car body or chassis. Besides this, they dampen vibrations mostly caused by the engine and enable you to have a nice and comfortable ride. So this is a less known car part but very important, and when it starts failing, it's good to notice it on time to prevent bigger problems. Hopefully this video will show you the most common symptoms of this problem, so stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Vibrations and shaking in the passenger cabin. The first and most noticeable symptom of this problem is a vibration and shaking in the passenger cabin while the engine is running. So when you start the engine, you can sense the vibration on the steering wheel, from under the seat. If there are loose parts of the plastic trimming, they will also be vibrating and shaking. The vibration is produced by the engine, and because the bad engine mounts can't dampen those vibrations. If you rev up the engine, the vibrations will go away. The engine jitters inside the engine bay. The next symptom of a bad engine mount is that the engine jitters while it's running. When everything is normal, there is some barely noticeable engine vibration, but in this case it will be a mild jittering. As the engine and transmission mounts fail even more, it may become a noticeable gentle shaking. Also, when the engine mounts are severely damaged, you may see the engine sway every time you rev up the engine. The engine sways inside the engine bay. The next symptom is that the engine sways a lot in the bay. If you notice this symptom, you can test the engine and transmission mounts in a very simple way. If you drive a stick shift car, put the car into first or second gear. If it's an automatic transmission, put the car into park. Then push and pull the car forwards and backwards. If you see that the engine is swaying back and forth a couple of centimeters and sort of jumping around the engine bay, the mounts are the problem. Besides this, you may also notice that the engine is a bit tilted to one side of the engine bay. The gear shifter sways while driving. Another symptom is that the gear shifter sways while driving, especially when you move the car from standstill. Instead of the gear shifter standing calmly, every time you move the car, it twitches forward and backward. This is, in most cases, a sign of a bad transmission mount. A clicking sound when driving or braking. Finally, you may hear a distinct clicking sound when you start driving, when you go over a speed bump for instance, or have a harder braking situation. The clicking sound is caused by the engine and transmission putting excessive load on the bad mount due to inertia, but also because they may be hitting or touching their surroundings. Once you notice any of these symptoms, it's best to make an inspection as soon as possible. Most engine and transmission mounts are visible, so an inspection shouldn't be a problem. If you notice, besides all of the symptoms that we've shown you, that the rubber on the mounts is cracked or torn, there's no doubt about whether you should change them or not. Best change them as soon as possible, since the excess vibration can, over time, cause other damage. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps find the problem. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.